everyone, and today I am going to show you how to make the perfect din for Valentine's Day in Animal Jam. Sorry for not uploading for a while, because I just had homework to do, and I finished it, so yeah. And this is my Valentine's Day din. So, I started off with things that are like pink and stuff. Also red and really winter themed, yeah. This is like winter themed, and you could get that from, well, if you watch, a Pari's video, you know how to do it. I just forgot. And that's insane because I always forget stuff, so. Sorry about that. Anyways, you could get these from this, store Majiggy. Wait, where is it? Yeah, I'm not sure if you could get it anymore. I forgot where you get it, you know? Where is it? But, anyways, yeah. wait, no. You probably get them from the party. Yeah, Year of the Rooster party, yeah. Shoot! No, not the Year of the Rooster party, because, it was something else that letted everyone go there, but shoot. I forgot. Oh, yes, the friendship party. Get them at the friendship party, which is like, 2 hours from now, but yeah. And you could also get the roses thingy-majig. Well, that's fanciful thingy. I got 2 of those and 2 of these heart boxes also, with chocolate in them. I got 2 of each just in case, and the stuff is beautiful there. And make sure to also put flowers there, like roses and poinsettias, I think it's called, or wait, what is it called again? It starts with a P. Yeah, this poinsettia. I forgot, like in 1st grade, I learned how to say it, but yeah. Then you need some like pink stuffed animals, like I took 4 that are pink, and excuse me. You would also need like Valentine cards and stuff, and you could buy them from the I don't know what it's called, but shop for your den thingy. And I just have like a fence here, and this is the furry rug. If you don't have a gingerbread house, you could just decorate it with like really good sweets for like Valentine's Day. This is like a gingerbread house. So yeah. And wait, where did you go again? You could go in the diamond shop, I think. If it's still there, I haven't played in a while, so, I don't know. No, it's not there, but you could decorate your den with like different things and stuff, so yeah, like those. Yes, and yeah, I'm just covered by this. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah, I guess so. I hate going on like the these thingies because like, they just take a long time. Not adventure base camp, but anyways, getting back on topic, you would need this ruggie that is related to Valentine's Day, or at least that is like really Christmassy and stuff, because it's still cold, you know that, in some places, like my place, which I'm not gonna tell, which I'm getting off topic again. Anyways, yeah, wait, is it in there? I'm pretty sure it's in here and stuff. So, yeah, come on, hurry. Yeah, it's right there. Nice. Okay. Now, if you don't really need, like, lat wallpaper, like this guy wallpaper and stuff. So, yeah. And it doesn't matter if you have, like, a little library covered by trees, because I did that because, I don't know. Cause it's really like springy now for this thingy. But they're trees, so yeah. And I have this super awesome furry rug that you could also use, which is like so awesome. Wait, what? Anyways, yeah. Hello. Okay, so basically my mouse isn't like, I don't know, is having technical difficulties. Excuse me, finally. And I can't walk, whatever. You don't really need this. I just, put it there because it was related to food. You could also put cookies and milk, kind of for like Santa. It's kind of Christmas themed. Yeah. And one last thing, you need a piece of art that people would like. And this is totally my face. Anyways, well, not saying, like, I'm not really bragging about it, but, any art that you think is really good, like, for example, I think this one is, like, really good, but at the same time I don't. So, so I just picked this one. So, yeah, yeah. And I lost so many gems. Oh well, whatever. So yeah, and don't forget your roses. Yeah. And those lights are beautiful too. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you did this or not, and take my advice. And also like this video, or did I say that? Bye my illusions, or yeah, bye.